but sometimes it's too much. If we never try, how will we know, baby, how far this thing could go? Give me a sign if I'm on your mind. I don't wanna fall in love alone. I wish that I could tell what you were thinking. I hate that I slip up when I've been drinking, but oh well, I can't help myself. I'm getting really tired of this back and forth. Why don't we just give into this driving force? I mean, there's something between us. It's electric every time we touch. I've been living for this head rush, but sometimes it's too much. If we never try, how will we know, baby, how far this thing could go? Give me a sign if I'm on your mind. I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love alone. We never try. How will we know you, baby, how far this thing could just go? How far this thing will go? Give me a sign. Give me a sign. I'm on your mind. I don't wanna fall in love I don't wanna fall. I don't wanna fall in love alone. You just need to be right here next to me, next to me, next to me. I don't wanna be without you, baby, anymore. I don't wanna fall. I don't wanna fall in love. I can't fall alone. I don't wanna fall. I don't wanna fall in love alone.
When you take your first breath, I'll be the first witness. When you open your eyes, I'll thank God you're alive. You give me this feeling that my love has no limits. When I look in your eyes, and they look just like mine. And there's nothing I won't do for you. Darling, you're my blood. You have my heartbeat. You have my heartbeat beating loud. And I'm waiting for your love to feel your heartbeat. And I am aching to hold you now. When you take your first steps, I need to be there. Thought I belonged to the road, but you made the house feel like home. You are my lighthouse, peeking out from the dark clouds. I've lived under my whole life. I thank God you're alive. And there's nothing I won't do for you. Darling, you're my blood. You have my heartbeat. your heartbeat, and I am aching to hold you now. I will be your shoulder when you're feeling pain. I will try to make it all better. I will be your father, I will be your friend. I will be here for you forever. Darling, you're my blood, you have my heartbeat. You are my heartbeat, beating loud. And I'm waiting for your love to feel your heartbeat, and I am aching to hold you now.
So this producer hit me up on a DM. He told me, hey, I really like what you are doing. He told me, come round to the studio, let's cook it. He told me, come to catch a vibe and make some music. But when I got there, should've heard what he was saying. Trying to touch me, trying to fuck me, I'm not playing. I should've left that place as soon as I walked in it. How goddamn dare you do that to me, really? Coming like the ice cream man, till I felt his ice cold hands, and how I paid a price now. Damn, goddamn, no, goddamn. Everything you did, it left me in a ruin. And no, I didn't say a word, I guess that proves it. I'm a woman, oh yes. Cause I'm a woman, I'm a very fucking brave, strong woman. And I'll be damned if I let a man ruin how I walk, how I talk, how I do it. Man, I've been broken for a moment, I've been through it all. It's even harder to be brave alone. Was a girl, now I'm grown, I'm a woman, a very fucking strong woman. And I was 7, was 21, was 17, and was 11. It took a while to understand what my consent means. If I was ruthless, they'd be in the penitentiary. But all the stress of being honest wouldn't help me. I pushed it down, but it was living in me rent-free. And then I fell into some things that weren't healthy. A place where no one heard me, asking them to help me. Coming like the ice cream man, till I felt his ice cold hands, and how I paid a price now. Damn, goddamn, everything you did, it left me to ruin. And no, I didn't say a word, I guess that proves it. I'm a woman. Cause I'm a woman, I'm a very fucking brave, strong woman. And I'll be damned if I let a man ruin how I walk, how I talk, how I do it. Man, I've been broken for a moment, I've been doing it. It's even harder to be brave alone. I was a girl, now I'm grown, I'm a woman, very fucking strong woman. I wish I could say how I feel, how I felt, and explain why I'm silently blaming myself. Cause I put on these faces pretending I'm fine. Then I go to the bathroom and I press rewind in my head, always going round and round in my head. Your fingerprints stuck a stain on my skin. You made me frame myself for your sin. You pathetic dead excuse of a man